here. Somehow this introduction makes me feel very, very uncomfortable. So it's a much better way. Thank you, Shubhi. But however, that is the fact. I'm here as one of the clients, and essentially I'm an operational man, not into technology. However, as a keynote to set it, the complete proceedings into context, I find this is a wonderful opportunity. And before I go on to say whatever else I need to mention to the complete audience, I will start with what the Infosys experience has been towards what we are looking at, that is the complete system of video management and the complete system that we have. About 1.5 years back, we started looking at how can we look at upgrading what Infosys has got and what is the best ROI that we can give back to the company. And once we started on this journey and we partnered, or we were very happy that Milestone partnered with us, and the experience has been that we could look at a whole lot of systemic improvement that came along, a lot of systemic improvement. Now, what is it specifically that we could derive? One was, overall, we were having cameras deployed. Incidentally, we have a little over 5,000 cameras. They were deployed in multiple locations, and they were to be configured locally in each of the locations. So if you see overall as an org, what visibility we had, what control we had over the complete system, that there was much left to be desired. And the moment we started upgrading, we found that the first impact for us was we had better control over the complete system. Central configuration, a better look of the storage facilities, better redundancy. We have really got the redundancy built into the system. We can actually say any cut anywhere, still the system will continue to work. That's a great ROI as far as the company is concerned. And further, a very important aspect we found is, we found that ultimately the investment was worth because we could still economize. I'll give a very small example. About 4,000, 4,500 cameras are on the fixed internal mode. A lot of them, 80% of them were on continuous recording. By having central configuration and better visibility, we have actually brought down the continuous recording from 80% to 20% by having only motion-based recording. We could do it because we could ask our clients to justify, and we could convince them, and we could bring to something like this. I hope the impact is seen. From 80% of the cameras, we brought it down to 20% of the cameras on motion-based continuous recording. The impact it has had, a huge amount of savings in terms of storage. So just to say this is thing, without getting into what we have done more than this, there are a number of other things that are there. When we do local, a number of cameras were coming onto. We could actually control the kind of cameras that comes onto the system. I hope people see this. We had multiple cameras which were coming onto the system because they were locally controlled. The moment the configuration is central, we found that we could actually standardize the complete process. So that was another big aspect that we could do. When we probably go later, we will realize the impact by controlling what you bring into the system. Because every 1-2 years, we find there is an improvement in various aspects, be it software, be it compression, be it resolution things, be it the kind of cameras. So the moment we are controlling what comes into the system, we are able to get better out of the system. Now, as far as the event is concerned, I think the moment I have seen yesterday what has been put here, seeing all the organizers on stage introduce themselves and what they are bringing onto the platform, I think if I may put it as, we see, if not the big picture, at least the complete picture of what happens into a system, right from the cameras to the installation, the networks, the storage, the next level in terms of getting in a VMS, the integration part, analytics, and try and derive the complete ROI. This is the complete system. most of us are aware that as individuals in large organizations, we deal with a certain part of it. I've been interacting with a number of the other clients over here. Someone is into purchase, someone is into the operational end, somebody is into the technical end. So somebody deals with only storage part of it. So when you see the complete solution, I think there is a better understanding of what goes into it. There is a better visibility of what happens into the complete system. It may not be that these are the only vendors. As a client, I'm not looking at only these particular vendors, but there's a better comprehension of how the complete system is working. I think, thank you for this great initiative of all these people coming together onto a common platform to be able to showcase whatever they would like to showcase as the thing. I think that's one great benefit that I see to come onto such a platform. The other points which are there is probably a number of us don't get an exposure simultaneously to meet so many clients and the latest in the field in terms of technology. I think it's interesting that every seminar you go, right here today, I think there are some interesting new things that these people are offering to us. And the takeaways could be different for different people. I could find a different takeaway when I'm seeing so many systems and what people have to offer. Someone else may find something different. But I'm sure each of us find something new, something different to take away. I think that would be the second major thing by putting together such a platform. Going forward, just a word, since I think my time was already up by the time I have come up on stage. So I will not go into too many details. I think in the complete field of video management, a lot is happening. A lot is happening. Some of us are aware, some of us are not aware. And we face individual challenges. There are individual challenges of various parts of this complete ecosystem talking to each other. Within this system, there is opacity as to which is better, how to compare each of them. Be it cameras, be it networks, be it servers, be it storage, various other parts. There is a lot of people want to know more. I think that is a challenge we all face, and that is a challenge that all the organizers and the others who are in the industry need to try and make it a little more easier for the clients to be able to quickly decide and show them what the ROI is. I think that is what we can do. Towards that end, I think a good paper on what video management system, there are so many things available on the net also. I think circulation of it, sharing of that could go to enhance a little more. I think that could be one aspect we could look at. And I would also say that apart from the beautiful settings that we have here, I still feel that one or more organizers could get added into it. Like for example, maybe we could look at one or more integrators, because that could be ultimately, a lot of us are looking at one particular aspect. Although some of you do partially fall into the field of integrators, some of you do a little bit of this, but I think a full-fledged integrators could add value to this platform, that is what I would like to broadly put forward as what we can take. And finally, one of the most important learnings and most important opportunity that this platform offers, what I see, is of mutual learning. For whatever little I have interacted between yesterday and this morning, it's fascinating to see. I am looking at video management system from a particular perspective. I say some other client looking at it from a different perspective. They're looking at it from a different perspective. I think a better understanding of what happens in other companies, other fields which are affected, leads to a better understanding of the overall system. I think that is probably one of the greatest benefits of having a platform like this. Thank you so much for the organizers. I think it's an excellent platform. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, Colonel Ramesh.